Hi guys! So one of the main reasons why you adopt a CRM in the first place is to automate your sales process. After you have marketed your brand, you want to automatically capture your leads into your Zoho CRM. All right. Um, this minimizes all of the manual efforts of having to enter them in one by one or bulk imports, having to get them into a spreadsheet just right so that you can import them. Yes, those are options as well, and sometimes there are cases when you have to do that, but I want to teach you guys how to automatically capture them with very little to absolutely no effort at all. I'm going to show you 4 ways how to do this. But before we do that, can you please subscribe to the channel? Also like this video so that we can reach more people who would love to learn how to maximize their Zoho system. The first way you can automatically capture leads into the system is with your phone system. If you're using a phone system that integrates with Zoho CRM, you more than likely will have a little box that pops up in the bottom right corner when you have an incoming or if you make an outgoing phone call. Now, incoming would make sense. If you have marketed a certain phone number and people call, then their phone number will come up in the bottom corner. So after you have spoken with them, you more than likely may want to add them into your CRM. So what I am doing is calling so that you can see exactly what this looks like. I answer the
I
call,
answer the call.
and then these 3 dots here, when you click on it, you'll have some options. You have Zoho CRM, and you have create new lead as an option. So I'm going to click on that. You can add the company name, the first name, last name, email, and then it automatically grabbed that phone number. I'm going to click done. Now I can see that this person is saved in the system because here it now says their first name, last name, their company, and it lets me know that the CRM owner is me. Here's their information, and then I can add a call description at the bottom. So that's another video, but I wanted to show you that you can simply click on that, add their first name, last name, and save them into the system, into your leads module directly. So that's the first way. All right, so the second way is through your emails or sales inbox. When you receive emails that are not from someone that you currently work with or who's on your team, then you can grab that information from the email and, put it into the CRM. So if you're using sales inbox, you would click on sales inbox. And once you go to the 4 columns, you'll have not in CRM. These are basically all of the email addresses that are not currently in your CRM. Just as simple as that. So if I click on one, I have the option to add them into the CRM as a lead or a contact. So when I click on this, it will again ask company name, first name, last name, email, phone number. You just obviously put whatever you already have or whatever information they have given you, and then you save. Once you do that, they are automatically added into your CRM. All right, so the third way is one of the most common. When you have your website and you've got a contact us form, for example, this is just one way or one type of form that you could use. We're using a web form to automatically put the information into the CRM. So if I go to Zoho Forms, which I can do right here from Zoho 1, I'm going to go to Forms, and for this contact us page, I'm going to integrate it with the CRM so that if anyone goes in and completes this contact us form, it will automatically send them into the leads. So you would click on edit. We have the form here. You go to integrations. You'll have an option when this is not set up. It's going to say, hey, do you want to integrate? You just click the button, and then it's going to bring you to the screen, and you basically just tell it where you want the information to go. So this is what's in the CRM, and on the right, this is what's on the form. I want every single field on the form to go somewhere in the CRM in the leads module. So you choose the module, you choose the layout, and then you add the fields. All right, so in this case, we only have first name, last name, email, phone number, and then I added lead source, which is a hidden field so that I can see where that lead came from. Once I've done that, I click integrate, and now it's integrated. So when someone fills out this form, all right, it goes directly into the CRM, into the leads module, just like that. So the last way is through your social media. If you have multiple social media channels, some of them you're able to, actually, pull that information into your CRM directly, and that's through Zoho Social. If you have Zoho One, you automatically have access to Zoho Social. It is for your social media scheduling and things like that. So this is Zoho Social. If you go to settings, it's going to bring you to this page here. You're going to also click on lead generation. And this is assuming that you already have Facebook set up. So for Facebook, I have these options. If someone likes my post, comments, and so on, the two that I use are if they comment on my page post, or if they send a message to my page. All right. So I have those two turned on. What that means is when that happens, Zoho Social will send that person into the leads module, because that's what I've specified, and I don't have to add them. Like, it just happens in the background automatically. And when I go to my leads section of my CRM, it will say Facebook as the lead source. So there you go. There are 4 ways that you can automatically collect your leads into your Zoho CRM. If you have comments, if you have questions, drop them down in the comments. I'll be more than happy to answer them. And then also, don't forget to download our ebook. It is a simple guide to customizing a simple system using Zoho. It's going to teach you all sorts of things, how to choose the applications that you need, and then how to set them up. And then also we have our free courses at the link below, which is at learn.successfulsolutions.com. I will see you there.